Hi, Lorenzo Gabellini speaking from ISE 2023. We are in the booth of Totem of Design, Italian company located in Milan. Here I'm presenting to you our special Venice model. Comes from artisan capabilities to create in one shape this traditional boat from Venice. Material is coming from the absolutely architectural design elements. Is a Korean material, very fashion material in design and in artistic elements. All this table and is also either interactive, so through a capacitive touchscreen technology we can move the object, of course, as you well know, so it's a multi-touch technology. And that's waiting for you to come to our booth and see you next time. Still more information you can catch from our website totemofdesign.it. Thank you very much to everybody. Bye.